Left leg to the mat, leave your right leg up. We go right up into that walk up our leg. And then we roll down. Now remember, always your tree, right? So it's a hard exercise. If you need to push your leg down, sometimes that's helpful. Hang on and use it to help you get up. If you have a way to anchor your foot, that's always going to be helpful. Push it into a wall or a weight anchor. Let's do one more where we roll up, up, up. And then we're going to roll down. We're headed right to our single leg circle. So we take just a moment to anchor everything. We go into that reach across, circle our leg down and around. We're shooting for 5. Inhale, exhaling as you come around. All the things we pay attention to, those arms pressing in, our core is tight, circling that leg around and our hip reaching, circling. One more in that direction. And then we're going to reverse it to that outside, circle that leg down and around. Inhale to start, exhaling as you circle. Feel how much work it is to keep that left hip nice and anchored. That reach to the outside and circle. We have one more. And then we're thinking of our transition. It's a fancy scissor kick. You're going to switch out the legs. Get ready for tree. Inhale, curling and walking up, lifting. And then exhale as you roll down, sending that leg up so it tries to hold still as you roll back down, curling up, that internal lift that every time maybe get a little higher, and then right back down, rolling down through that leg. We got one more. Inhaling up, figuring out how to anchor down through that right leg. Exhale, we're thinking about that transition. Here we go into our single leg circles. Leg goes across, lift that hip, circle down and around. Remember, we lift and then we anchor for that last half of the circle. Inhale to reach, exhaling as you come down and around. It's your working level, how big your circle is. Let's get one more. Reach, circle, pause up top, and then get your reverse to the outside. When you hit your midline, you can lift your hip and circle around. Inhale for a third, exhale to come around. Have your anchors, have those arms pressing down into the mat, have that right heel pressed in. One more, I'm gonna add the bonus on there. And then let's bring our foot down to the mat. We have a roll up for our transition. Go right into it. Inhale halfway, exhale, you can curl forward. And now we put our hands beside us, scoot to the front of our mat, come right to our rolling like a ball position, and we go right into